What better way to spend a Father's Day than this method? Little hook, method feeder. We out here early in the morning. Only the tip of the hook exposed. Damn. Guess I started off with too much water. It don't look like it. That's one. We're gonna get another pole out and we're gonna get a night crawler out. Go ahead and like and subscribe. We got action, baby. Drag, screaming, lit, ripping, fishing, tripping. I had my baits out there for about 15 minutes, got a little bite, but nothing, didn't catch nothing, so I'm gonna go back out, same spot I cast it, and try to get it out there for some more time. Just keep doing that until you start getting bites, and then usually when you start getting bites, you're good on the dope, the pack bait, and you can just cast out in the same spot. We got one. Oh, no way. Oh, man. That's tough. That is tough. That is tough. And this hook has been doing that consistently. Same pole, same hook every time. Real small hook like that. I'm gonna change the hook out. Make it a little bit bigger. That felt really good. That's frustrating. First fish of the day, really good. Lost him. Not my tackle line. That's tough, man. It happens though. Gotta get over it. Bigger hook. A little bit bigger because the other one, it was just, I lost like 3 or 4 fish on that hook. Well, what can you do besides try again? First I thought they made the pack bait too watery, but that oatmeal, it thickened up. Now I can throw it as far as I want. We got something. Just got the pole out there. I'm guessing it's a carp. Going straight for that tree. We ain't doing this today. Oh yeah. Loosen that drag so he won't pull that hook. He got my other pole. Yeah, he got my other eye. Oh, it's a carp. Get the tired, let them tired. Fighting real good. And they're almost never hooked good. Got him. That was kind of epic. That's a weighable one too. That's a good one. Okay, we got a lot going on here. He's got my other line. See, they're almost never really hooked good. Barely hooked. Skin hooked. Well, we're gonna get away. That's a 5-pounder. This thing looks huge, but it's 5 pounds. 5.2, 5.1. Got a carpet ski, 5-pounder. Nice carp out here. That's a nice one. 5.2, 5.1. We got another one. They feeding right here heavy too. I can see it. This one's for the road because we was about to go. No, don't get off. Love going for that tree stump. We ain't doing that today. They said, hey, they said, yes, we are, huh? I'm not. Got him out of it. Had to get in the water. Got him. What? Good fish. We got another carp. 4.84 pounds. Get a release on this sucker. Get a release on this sucker.